Well, hey everybody, welcome aboard. Come on and jump on the Majestic Explorer boat or kayak tour. Every day it's just wonderful to take the boat and kayak tour around the island and witness the wildlife here at Majestic. Join on this adventure. Call us right now at 757-336-5956 or visit our website majesticexplorer.com. Be sure to subscribe. Well, let me tell you a few things about what make it so beneficial to visit our nature here and see the wildlife while you're on your vacation. Well, you're going to reconnect with nature. You can buy my photographs while you're on the boat too. I'm Captain Mark and I love taking photos of these wild horses just as much as you do. While you're visiting these natural habitats, this allows you to reconnect with the environment, providing a much needed break from your regular hustle and bustle of your everyday job. You're going to love it out here. When you go out here and explore with us, you're going to be able to enjoy the fresh air. It's a great educational experience. You're going to be able to observe the wildlife in its natural habitat. This provides an educational opportunity for you and your family and allows you to learn about different species, ecosystems, and conservation efforts while you're out here. I'm Captain Mark and I'm from the area. I hope you enjoy this place when you visit. My family's been here since the 1820s. We welcome you to Chincoteague and Majestic Island, and we hope you can journey through the heart of nature here with us and explore the untouched landscapes and the beauty of the wild. While you're on the boat, you can purchase photographs I've taken from all over the world. I've been all around the globe, but nothing compares to this place. Wild horses, dolphins, and all sorts of birds together. Yep, you have the chance to see everything on one tour. Birds, dolphins, and wild horses. It's pretty amazing, isn't it? This place is very special. hope you enjoy my photos of the wild horses. Come out and buy some on the boat. Come grab some of your own too while you're out here. I hope you can get some photographs of them while you're watching them. The great thing about visiting here also is there's so many convenient places for you to grab a bite to eat. There's great restaurants here and many hotels and places to stay. Visit our website, AssateagueExplorer.com, and click on where to stay. And there's a list of phone numbers and the names of the hotels. Great hotels, great places to stay, all kinds of things to see right here. Back in the 1950s, my grandfather had a clam business right here, and my uncle had it in the 60s and 70s. They'd be surprised to know I was taking people out to see these wild horses that love this area. You can see my photographs on my website, photographerimages.com, and you can purchase them on the boat. There's all kinds of things to see out here. Pelicans, we see dolphins, different types of birds like great black-backed seagulls. You can see those right here too. Yep, come on out. We do this nature tour every day. You can see wild horses and birds too, and dolphins. These birds you're looking at here are called royal terns, and they're standing on my grandfather's old clam beds right here. All kinds of things to see. Different colors of the wild horses, different herds that move around all day. I hope you enjoyed the breathtaking sights of the wild horses and the beauty of nature that surrounds us here each day. It's been an incredible experience capturing these moments, and I'm thrilled to share them with you. I'm Captain Mark, and I look forward to seeing you out on the boat or the kayak tour. Do it twice while you're here. Do the combo tour. Be sure to subscribe.